Hello and welcome to another chemistry video. Warning: in this experiment toxic chlorine is produced. The following procedure must be performed by experienced experimentators in a fume hood. Today some chlorine experiments. At first, it's obvious that some chlorine is needed. For producing some chlorine, trichloroisocyanuric acid and hydrochloric acid are needed. TCCS is commonly used in swimming pools as chlorinating agent, but by reaction with hydrochloric acid it forms easily lots of chlorine gas. That's why it's also a really hazardous chemical. Nevertheless, TCCS itself is not that toxic. Here you can see the chlorine getting in the Erlenmeyer flask. It has a really nice green color. Now to the first experiment. To show how reactive chlorine is, a piece of glowing iron wool is held into the Erlenmeyer flask. Immediately a violent reaction occurs. The iron and the chlorine are forming iron trichloride. It evaporates from the Erlenmeyer flask as brownish gas. The next experiment again with the same preconditions. Now a hydrogen flame is slowly inserted into the chlorine atmosphere. You can see the color of the burning hydrogen changing when it comes in contact with the chlorine gas. In this chlorine atmosphere, the burning hydrogen forms hydrogen chloride. This hydrogen chloride is easily detected by some wet pH indicator paper. The color of the pH indicator turns immediately to red, which is a clear sign for hydronium ions. Now, last but not least, the reaction of sodium with chlorine. Again, the same preconditions, but the bottom of the Erlenmeyer flask is covered with some sand. This protects the glass from the heat of the following reaction. A small piece of sodium is positioned in the chlorine atmosphere. How you can see, there is no reaction yet, but by adding a little bit of water, the reaction starts. As product of the reaction of the sodium with the chlorine, we have normal table salt. But it's not recommended to taste it. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and if you want, subscribe my channel.